Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Quick Search box on the home page. Quick Search is located in the upper left-hand corner here. You can see an array of options to choose from, such as company name, opportunity name, contact first name, last name, phone number, email, and more. Selecting Advanced Search brings you to a more detailed page where you can search by all criteria in a record, such as lead assignments, sales opportunities, special interest fields, and more. You can also just click the Go button under Quick Search to see a list of all of the records. This shows you all of the records in the order that they have been entered. Clicking on Company in the menu will sort your records alphabetically from ascending to descending order. It is possible to sort these records by any field when you click on any of the fields in the Search Results menu. For example, clicking on State will reveal a list of records alphabetized by state in reverse. To search for a company, in the Quick Search, simply enter the first few letters in the Quick Search box. Let's do a search for all companies beginning with the letter B. We can see the results right here. The use of wildcards can also prove useful when you use the Quick Search. The wildcard is a percentage sign. Let's see this in action when we search for companies. The same can be done for other fields in the Quick Search. Let's do a search for companies with a contact that has a wildcard of CC in their last name. And these are the results. You may customize what you can search by. Go to Customize Pages in the Admin menu. If you do not have admin access, you will not be able to customize the Quick Search. Click Home, and you may turn off or edit some of these features. Note that changing the label here will change it everywhere else. This concludes the tutorial on using the Quick Search function. Thanks for watching.